So we have to perform the second practical, and that is the second practical of NOR gate using the AND gate, right? So for the NOR gate and using AND gate, there is the IC number of 7402. So how do we do for a AND gate? The symbolic representation of NOT gate. So the gate number one and gate number two, we have to create as a NOT gate. There is a gate number one and gate number two. So there is a small change between your like I have teach you during the lectures. So the first gate you have to create as a NOT gate, and the second gate you have to create as a NOT gate. Okay. Then your third gate is the output of your second gate, and for the third gate, the second input is of the second output of the gate. Right. So कुछ इस तरह आपको यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करना है. So let me show how to we do these practicals. So I have already teach you that is your gate number one and gate number two. So first off, you have to create the gate number as one as a NOT gate, right? So that is your gate number one, gate number two, and that is your gate number three. So gate number one has a two input, right? So इसको आप लोग क्या करोगे? Pin number two and three को जब आप then you have to interconnections. Whenever you have to the interconnection, then it is act like as a NOT gate, right? Then also do for the second gate. Second gate, that is your second gate. Second gate has a input as pin number 5 and 6, right? So interconnect between the pin number 5 and 6. Now, what we have to do, the first output of the gate, right? First output of the gate, it will be go to the first input of the third gate. So that is your gate number 3. Pin number 8 is first input of the third gate. So first output will be go to the pin number 8, and the from the second gate output will be go to the third gate of the input, third gate of the second input, right? So from the pin number 4 and 5, that will be go like this at pin number 9. So where pin number 2 and 3, we have to provide the inputs, right? So for the input, you have to choose a slide switch. So either you have to connect the slide switch between the pin number 2 or 3, and same for either you have to connect the slide switch between the pin number 5 and 6. Either pin number 5, otherwise other pin number 6. Okay. So you have to choose the two slide switch. There is a 1 and there is a slide switch of pin number 2. And for the output we have to seen in the LED light, right? So LED you have to connect at the pin number 10. So pin number 10 पे आप लोग क्या करोगे? LED connect करो. That is your LED. So let's do the connections on the Tinkercad. So how do we do on the Tinkercad? Okay, so that is your IC number 7402. First, we have to make a NOT gate of gate number 1 and gate number 2. So gate number 1, first gate number has input of pin number 2 and 3. So pin number 1, 2, 3. That is your first gate. So connect the pin number 2 and 3 together. Now go to the second gate. The input of second gate has a pin number 5 and 6. So connect the pin number 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So connect the pin number 5 and 6 and change the color. Okay. Then what we have to, from the first gate, the output of the first gate at the pin number 1, from the pin number 1 is goes to the third gate, the input number 1. Okay. So third gate at a input at a pin number 8. So that is your pin number 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the first gate has the output at the pin number 1. So from the pin number 1, it will be go to the pin number 8. So from the pin number 1, it will be go to the pin number 8, right? And another, there is a get number 2. Get number 2 has an input at a pin number 4. So from the pin number 4, it will go to the pin number 9. That is the output. So that is the input of the third gate of second gate from pin number 9. Which pin number 4 of the second gate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your pin number 4. So change the color bar of fire. I will take a blue. That is the pin number 4. So from the pin number 4, the output of the second gate, it will be go to the pin number 9, right? It will go to the pin number 9. So that is your 8. That is the third gate of the first input. That is the pin number 9. That is the input of second of third gate. Then from the pin number 10, that will be show the output, right? So pin number 10 से हमें क्या show करना है? Output show करना है. So from the pin number 10, so that is 8, 9, 10, that will go to the LED of the anode terminal. To change the wire of the color, I will choose the pink color. Okay, that will go to the anode terminal. Okay, so the necessary connections will be done, but we have to provide the input like a 1 and 0. Okay, so for the input of 1 and 0, we have to choose the slide switch. After selecting the slide switch, rotate by the R key. Okay, there is a 2 gates we have to we already created, right? So we have to require of 2 slide switch. So I have already teach you कि by default you have to connect the terminal 1 to the positive and terminal to the negative. So that is your terminal 1. From the terminal 1 you have to connect to the positive, and positive you have to choose the inversion color plus red color, and for a black you have to choose for negative, that is your minus. Okay. So I have already led to the connection. Then terminal 2 is close to the negative. Then red color for a positive. Okay. So common wire. See here. So a slide switch number 1, either you have to connect the pin number 2 or pin number 3, because we have interconnection already pin number 2 and 3. If you provide the input at a pin number 3, it will be the high or low. If you want to provide the pin number 2, then it will be act like a same. And same for a second gate. If you have to provide at a gate number 5, pin number 5 and 6, it will be act as a same. Okay. So from the common wire, that is pin number 2 and 3. So I have to connect at a pin number 2, either pin number 2 and 3. So I will connect at a pin number 3. So change the wire of the color, because positive color is shown by the red color, right? So I have to choose the orange color. The common wire is goes to the pin number 3 or a pin number 2. Okay. Similarly, for a second gate, there is an input of 5 and 6, but for 5 and 6, we have already interconnected, right? So slide switch, either you have to connect at the pin number 5, either you have to connect at the pin number 6. So I will connect at a pin number 5, that is 5, 6, sorry. Wait a minute. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So that is your pin number 5. I will connect at a pin number 5. Remember, you have to choose the color code. Let's start the simulation. I have already connected. First, I have connected the first gate as a NOT gate. So pin number 2 and 3 I have interconnected. So pin number 2 and 3 I have interconnected between the pin number 2. Similar for the pin number 5 and 6. That is the pin number 5 and 6. And then from the first gate, that is the output of the pin number, it will be the third gate of the first input. So that is third gate of the first that is the third gate of the first input. And from the second gate, that is the output from the pin number 4. So from the pin number 4, it is go to the second input of the third gate. Then for the output that I have connected the LED from the pin number 10, right? So that is your pin number 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, that it go to the anode of the terminal. Now we verify the truth table of NOT AND gate. Okay, so that is a practical number 2 B. 2 B. So rename the name B AND gate using NOT. That is AND gate. Always remember whenever you choose the name that is on the calculator. AND gate. AND gate using a NOT gate. Don't worry, it will be changed automatically after the connections. Okay, let's verify the truth table. So start the simulation. We know that the output of the, I think name is not changed. Let me change again. And whatever, it will be changed after some time. Okay, so that is a practical AND gate using a NOT. Now we have to verify the truth table. We know that if we provide the 0 and 0 to the AND gate, that output will be the 0. Why? Because the output condition for the AND gate is y is equal to a multiplication of b. So 0 multiplied with 0, 0 multiplied with 1 is 0. Always remember the 0, how you know you are providing the 0 and 1. When you switch at a black side, means negative side, then it is 0. If you have to provide a 1, that switch it will be on the side of the positive side. Okay, that the color of red. Okay, so 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. So we have to verify, we already verified our truth table of AND gate. So the truth table is true, and the circuit we have created during our lectures, that is also true. So thank you. That is our the practical number 2 V AND gate using a NOT.